All right, guys, I'm Michael Allen for TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Remember, we're a travel agency, right? So go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com, fill out the 4-minute form. You'd be that much closer to the vacation of a lifetime. We're like you, having best friends who live in Costa Rica, who know Costa Rica, totally hooking up your Costa Rica vacation. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's very helpful. Want to see videos as we put them up? Hit the notification bell. And oh my gosh, but we're in Guatemala. We're in Antigua, Guatemala. D'Angelo. Now, why are we here? We come to Guatemala for 2 reasons. D'Angelo's been here numerous times.
At least 20.
For his border crossings. But he also has a second mom that lives just a couple minutes outside of Antigua. And the other reason I come is because the round trip tickets are only $130. So we're just going to show you around Antigua a little bit, talk a little bit. Again, he's been here. I've been here a few times. He's been here a bunch. We know a little bit about it. But anyway, let's go. So right now, we're in Antigua Central, right? I mean, pretty much. So they're having a little fair here. We're going to go out to the fountain, show you some stuff, and turn it off my mug. And we're going to walk around. Let's go. It's a Saturday here. I'm not sure if it's more busy or not, but there doesn't seem to be as many tourists here. This is late August.
The whole city's got cobblestone roads.
Yeah, man. I know they beat up on those mopeds and cars.
Big time.
So this wasn't here yesterday. We had a little street fair, it looks like.
Yeah, it's typically not here.
You'll see a lot of their garb, man. A lot of the Guatemalan garb. I gotta say, I do like this little park. It's fun to sit around in, but man, can they bother you with buying stuff. It gets a little annoying, you know, but they're just trying to do what they do.
Yeah, but they all do it.
Like this. No gracias. No gracias. No gracias. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, shit.
But they start the kids off young in their little outfits to get photos and stuff.
Yeah, they do all kinds of things. They bring their kids here to get photos. They're selling all kinds of trinkets. I would suspect that most of this stuff is not handmade anymore.
Oh, no.
It's probably coming straight from China.
But they'll tell you it's handmade.
Of course they will.
And it's almost the same stuff everywhere. The same souvenir type things.
Yeah, if you know nothing about Antigua, obviously that means like ancient old city. If you didn't know better and you hadn't, this is exactly like if you've ever been to Nicaragua and you've been to Granada. Granada is the oldest city in Central America. And if you didn't know, and I was blindfolded, you dropped me in one of these streets, I wouldn't really know if I was in Granada or Antigua.
Yeah.
Very similar old towns.
Except for the cobblestone roads. I don't think they're in Nicaragua, the Granada area. I don't remember them.
I haven't been to Granada for a while.
Yeah.
The fountain. Every woman should have water coming from her breast.
We heard the story last night that it was a maid that breastfed her work boss's kids.
Yeah.
And back in the days, I don't know. So
she also said she didn't know if that story was true.
that was, yeah, but that's the story that we were told yesterday.
It's a little bit more crowded than it was yesterday for sure. Anybody want a hat?
There's old churches all around here. There's one right there to the front of Michael now.
You can walk over there.
This city's full of old churches.
We brought our drone and we took the drone up yesterday. That was kind of cool. The great thing, if you've never been to Antigua, what's really nice about it, there is a lot of free things to do. We didn't.
Yeah.
We're not really doing them on this trip because this was more just chill with his second mom mostly, and just come here. But
I've been here so many times. At least I have. That I've done. We've done them all. Michael's been to most of the free stuff here, but there are some really good free
the
stuff.
park the park that overlooks the city. What's that one called? I forget.
Cerro de la Cruz.
Yeah, that one's really nice. It overlooks the whole city, and it's way cool.
One of the high-end five-star hotels here. It's luxury hotels where all the movie stars stay. They offer a free shuttle up into the mountain where they have an outdoor art gallery that is beautiful. Santo Domingo.
We went there.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did. I go there almost every trip just because it's a beautiful walk and it's free and it's nice art.
And then outside, now we're about an hour and a half from
Guatemala City,
Guatemala City,
the international airport.
Now, last time we made a video of our trip before in 2016 where we went to Tikal,
Tikal, and
which is the ruins, are they Mayan ruins? Or, is it Mayan?
Yeah, I believe Mayan.
And we also went to that
Samuk Champe, which is one of my favorite places in the world to visit. It's a limestone river with pools, crystal clear turquoise-ish water.
Yeah, it's way cool.
Beautiful.
I'm going to put the link to that video. We made that, I think, back in like 2017, but it's more in depth on. It was our trip
we spent more time that trip.
All right, guys, we'll catch you. We're going to be walking around, be showing some things, throwing up some pictures and that. So, all right, guys, we're at the market. All these big towns got the market where all the locals go, sell and buy cheap
Everything.
shit. Everything. We're not going to walk the whole thing. Just show you a little flavor.
There's an outside part and an
Speaking of
inside
flavor.
part and a food area. We'll go to the inside.
These are like big mazes. She did say stop, right?
I didn't hear her. Where do we go?
Like I said, a maze. They sell everything here.
You could definitely get lost.
They sell the t-shirt D'Angelo's wearing.
No, they don't. Maybe. Oh, this is the clothing section.
Styling. So it's 2.5 hours later and we finally got out of there. Oh my God, what a maze that was. It was like one of those, it was like The Shining, being stuck in the bushes. Good Lord, we were in there a long time. D'Angelo used to be good at directions, but
Oh, not in that little market, but I did find our way out, kind of.
yeah,
quick.
2.5 hours later.
Yeah, was not. That thing is a giant maze.
All right, guys. When I came to Costa Rica, I didn't know how much I liked birds. I didn't know how much I liked plants. Now I'm in Guatemala. I got a new fetish, and I'm going to show them to you in a minute.
No, those strawberries.
I don't think you're going to be able to guess what it is either. So, I don't know what it is, man, but I love these buses, man. Like the kids say today, the buses got the drip. The drip. Check this
They're
out.
just monster buses with big grills.
Let's check out. Yesterday, some really cool ones here. So this is what they get around town in. This is the bus system right here. Oh, I don't see some of the better ones though.
Yeah. The other side, further down.
Yesterday there was a whole line of them, and they all do the front ends, and they're way cool. Here comes one. Check this out. Let's go over here. You guys are probably like, man, you're in Antigua, Mike. You want to look at the buses? Yes, I do. Tell me that's not cool. Tell me that's not cool. Check out this one down here. So, you guys with me on the buses? Are you with me? All right, what's next? All right, let's go over here. You know, it's great, but you guys may not understand if you've never been to a town like this. Sometimes in back of these doors here, it can go back like a football field. There could be pools back there, gardens, apartments, and it's just very neat. And each one's got like its own distinct decoration. A lot of them are restaurants. A lot of people have their homes back in there. But behind those doors, you never know what's there. This is what I'm talking about right here. See how this goes back? Look at this. See, it's a whole nother little town back here. Obviously a hotel. Nice. That's what I'm talking about.
Tuk-tuks are the mode of transportation.
Yeah, it's a tuk-tuk. They're like taxis.
A little cheaper than taxis. There's like 3 forms of taxis here. That's the cheapest.
They also have Uber here. That's a little bit more expensive.
Oh yeah, 4 forms.
Huh?
4 forms of taxis with the Uber.
Wait, Uber, taxis, tuk-tuks, and
And those other little blue taxis, the new ones.
A little nicer than a tuk-tuk.
Yes. But smaller than a regular car.
I gotta say, a lot of these streets is just all like this, kind of the same souvenirs. It's kind of hard to find an authentic art store, I guess. We found a couple. They got some good leather ones. I mean, they have them, but
Yeah, the leather shop was nice, but mostly it's paintings or the table runners.
what's a little kind of a bummer is they have their subway here.
This is the little blue taxi that's smaller than a regular car.
I love these old walls.
But people come here for this arch view right here behind us, which is got a view of the volcano behind it.
How many volcanoes are around this city?
I think there's 4.
So that's a volcano up there,
That's
right?
Volcanagua. That's a huge volcano. Yeah, you can see the tip of it right underneath the archway.
Oh yeah, right there.
Volcanagua doesn't erupt. It erupted a long time ago. Volcan Fuego is their most active one. Over there's they do a Easter procession. That's their biggest holiday in Antigua. Every Easter, this place is jam-packed with people for like an entire week.
Well, that's probably every Latin American country. They love their...
No, more so Guatemala than anywhere else. Or more so Antigua than anywhere. So this is part of their Easter procession that they do.
Guys, just so you're clear, this is a very impromptu video. Had no plans. We didn't bring any really gear. No tripods, no stabilizers. There's Jesus. They love their mopeds, scooters, and motorcycles, man. They're everywhere here. All right, guys, you want to see? I wasn't going to take you in here, but we're going to take you in here because I think it might be one of the best McDonald's in the world. I think they took a page from the Asians. Because they got the kiosk. They've had the kiosk for a long time.
Oh, the computer.
Yeah. Check this out. So you order there. Right there.
Today's Saturday, so it's super busy. It definitely was like empty all week.
I don't think they can hear you. You don't have your microphone. Yeah, we were just here the other day and it was fine. You got a little coffee place over here. This is a happening place.
And it's clouded over, but that is the volcano right back there in those clouds.
There?
Yep.
So it's pretty nice McDonald's. If you're ever in Antigua, Guatemala, let's get a quick picture. All right, guys, so these are some of the tours they have outside of Antigua that are really, really cool. They got little travel agencies around town that can set these up for you, but the Tikal ruins is really cool. Semuc Champay is what D'Angelo was talking about, the turquoise, I think, aqueducts. That was really cool. And the volcano stuff. So those are some really good tours outside of Antigua that you can go on. The ones to get to Tikal is an overnight bus ride, but it's all set up for you, so it's way cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our little walk around Antigua. Now we're off to
Guatemala City?
Guatemala City for a few minutes. All right, man, we're out of here. See ya. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. It's worth a visit if you're in the area.